Welcome to Techo Guide, the only app designed to help you navigate your college and career journey in the quickest and most affordable way. This podcast is brought to you by EdTechquity, dedicated to opening doors to higher education and career opportunities for all.
What's up, everyone? This is Professor G, and here's a pro tip for you. Supplies and materials to bring for the first day of class. So here's the deal. Grab a backpack. It could be a rolling backpack or one you wear on your back. Definitely have writing instruments. Definitely have any textbooks that are required for that class. You can start the class without textbooks, but again, you're starting, already behind the starting line. So make sure you pick up all materials that are required beforehand. Now, in addition to all that, I want to be honest here. You should have a laptop, right? Laptops are super powerful when it comes to doing your work, not only in class, but also outside of class. So try to pick up a laptop. If you can't afford a laptop yet, no worries. It's not a deal breaker, but you will definitely need a computer. I've had students that try and do things on phone that just doesn't work, because in college you do have to read and write a lot and do a lot of heavy research on some of the subjects that you're taking. So remember, we're training you to be a professional. You will eventually have to have either a high-powered desktop or a laptop, and then definitely high-speed and wireless internet. Most colleges provide wireless internet while you're on campus, but when you get home, make sure you still have that wireless internet in some form or another.
Thank you for tuning into Techo Guide, the app focused on bringing you tools and content to help you make better decisions about school, life, and career. We hope this episode has inspired you to pursue and excel in your own educational and career journey. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share.